Nestled in the hills of southwest Virginia's Blue Ridge Highlands, you'll find a charm and beauty of epic proportions in one of Virginia's most historic and cultural towns. Welcome to Abingdon, Virginia. Abingdon, Virginia has long been known as a major cultural center in the Mid-Atlantic. Founded in 1778, Abingdon history is as rich as the fertile foothills that surround it. Even back in the days of building the Great Road to the west, Abingdon was the principal distribution point for mail and supplies, a hub not just for the community, but also for everyone in the region. Located just 17 miles north of the Virginia-Tennessee border, Abingdon is easily accessed by Interstate 81 and offers many year-round attractions. Walking through the scenic and historic streets of Abingdon, you'll find the home of the world-famous Barter Theater. Established in 1933 on the idea of bartering goods for the price of admission, Barter Theater found itself prospering during the Depression era. Founder Robert Porterfield's vision and insight was rewarded in 1946 when the Barter was designated as the State Theater of Virginia, the first in the nation to receive such recognition. For over 65 years, Barter has entertained visitors from around the world with quality professional theater. Many famous actors began their illustrious careers on stage at Barter Theater. The list includes such notables as Gregory Peck, Ernest Borgnine, Patricia Neal, Kevin Spacey, Hume Cronin, John Spencer, the late Jim Varney, and many more. Professional theater is presented on 2 stages, February through December, so no matter what season you visit Abingdon, you'll be assured of enjoying one of the country's oldest and most notable theaters. Barter is just one of many attractions Abingdon has to offer visitors. Recently named as one of the top 100 small towns for the arts, Abingdon boasts several art galleries and crafts cooperatives. The William King Regional Arts Center, a partner of the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts in Richmond, offers a rotating schedule of regional and national exhibits, working studios for artists, a museum gift shop, and regular programs in fine arts and crafts. Abingdon is also home to the Arts Depot. Housed in an 1890 freight station, the Arts Depot is operated by the Depot Artists Association. Resident artists work in oil, watercolor, weaving, and ceramics. The artists are on hand for demonstrations and discussions of their particular craft for visitors to view. Step back into the pre-Civil War world as you tour the Fields Pen 1860 House Museum. This period museum offers a glimpse into 19th century life. James Fields was nearing the peak of his career as a brick manufacturer, mason, and contractor. He was the builder of many fine homes in the Abingdon area. Guided tours spotlight period room settings, the original fully restored kitchen, decorative arts authentic to the region, a children's room with period toys, and much more. Southwest Virginia is not only known for its rich history and scenic beauty, but to race fans, this is NASCAR territory. Abingdon, Virginia not only provides great accommodations and lodging for the nearby Bristol Motor Speedway, but also features the Morgan McClure Racing Museum, located just off Interstate 81. This museum features exhibits of the Morgan McClure Motorsports race team from the early years to the present. See the cars that roared into victory lane to win 3 Daytona 500s. The gift shop offers NASCAR Winston Cup souvenirs featuring premier Winston Cup teams and drivers. Situated in hilly terrain at 2,300 feet above sea level, Abingdon enjoys magnificent views of the surrounding mountains. Nature has not spared her bounty in this part of the country. Here you will find the Virginia Creeper National Recreation Trail. The routes of this historic trail began as a Native American footpath and were later developed by the railroads. This 34-mile recreational trail now runs from Virginia to the North Carolina border. This popular trail, once used by European pioneers and even Daniel Boone, is now used for hiking, biking, horseback riding, and cross-country skiing. The Virginia Creeper Trail traverses some of the most rugged and picturesque scenery in the eastern United States. Accommodations in Abingdon are numerous. Whether you prefer a 4-star historic hotel, one of our charming bed and breakfast inns, or a familiar hotel chain, Abingdon has accommodations for you. And Abingdon offers more excellent restaurants and eateries than most cities of comparable size. Shopping opportunities abound in historic Abingdon. Visitors enjoy browsing in galleries, crafts, antiques, and specialty shops located in the downtown and historic districts. Shops offer everything from collectibles to fine clothing. No matter what season you visit Abingdon, there's always something to see and do. During the first 2 weeks of August, the Virginia Highlands Festival showcases regional art, history, and culture. Named as one of the top 100 tourist events in North America, the festival highlights activities designed to preserve the unique Appalachian cultural heritage of the region. A juried arts and crafts show, art exhibits featuring talents from all over the eastern United States, music from bagpipes to bluegrass to classical and rock and roll, antiques, creative writing workshops, balloon rallies, antique car exhibits, and special events at many historic Abingdon locations add up to 2 weeks of non-stop excitement. The festival draws over 200,000 visitors annually, has more than 100 hours of performing arts, and boasts one of the largest antique markets in the southern United States. Today, Abingdon is proud of its history and rich heritage. As you stroll down the shaded brick sidewalks, it's as if you've stepped back in time. So whether you're looking for fine food and lodging, superb arts, beautiful surroundings, homegrown crafts, splendid shopping, or just a leisurely stroll down the brick lanes of one of the nation's preeminent historic districts, come to Abingdon. But be forewarned, you may not want to leave.